Could the Olive Garden hot dog be the next big thing, or is it just gonna make everybody mad? I'm intrigued enough to give it a try. Let's do this. A tweet went viral of someone making a hot dog using an Olive Garden breadstick. It was very divisive. My first thought is, yum. The tweet was a hot dog inside of the breadstick with just some mustard on it. So that's what I'm gonna try. I'm going to slice, I'm just gonna open it up. I think they used a knife. And my hot dog right in the middle. Right off the bat, I like the bread to hot dog ratio, that it's not like too much bun. Let's give it a try, shall we? We know what the breadstick tastes like. I'm not mad at it. I like the flavor, of course, because I like Olive Garden breadsticks, I just do. It's not as soft as a hot dog bun. So while I do like the ratio of bread to hot dog, it might require a little more chewing than a normal hot dog bun. So while I do like the flavor, I think the texture is a little too firm for a hot dog. Now, I could see this as a good bun for an Italian sausage, because an Italian sausage is going to be more sturdy, and to hold up, it would hold up better to this sturdier bun option. Your hands are going to get messy. Okay, normally you just eat your breadstick like just like a couple fingers. This, you kind of got to get the whole hand messy. So there's that. I'll take one more bite for good measure. Yeah, I think the bread overpowers the hot dog. I like the idea, but if I had to choose between a breadstick and a hot dog bun, I'm probably gonna choose the hot dog bun. I'm gonna save the breadsticks for the soup and salad. For more videos like this, don't forget to follow MyRecipes on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. And don't forget to click that bell so you're notified every time we do one of these great taste tests. That's better.